Hello and welcome to proCode. In this video we are going to learn about object-oriented programming in Python. So let's get started. Object-oriented programming is a very famous approach in programming. So this is why we are learning it. Now object-oriented programming it is based on classes and also classes, methods and objects and variables and which comes under classes. So these are the main topics in object-oriented programming which we have to learn so that we can do coding by using object-oriented programming. So it is the main thing is class. The main thing is class. So this class is like a template, is equal to template. This class, a class can be visualized as a template in such a way when this like a class is, you see template. Now that template, when you fill it, when you use it, you don't write everything from the start. You need not to start everything and write everything like name is equal to Amir Hassan, like not like that. The questions or some part is been already written, and when you use and you fill your desired information in it. So now the class is a template, and when it is filled by the user or by you, then it is called an object. So when class is instantiated, then it is called object. So class when instantiation of class is called objects. So you see it like this. So now we are going towards the syntax so that you have a better understanding of it. And one more thing, that the object-oriented programming is based on dry method, like DRY, which is it is based on dry method, dry principle, which is called do not repeat yourself. So this is the principle in which the whole system of object-oriented programming is based on. Let us see how. Like you make template of it and then you fill it to make objects. So in here the whole process is not repeated again and again. So this is why we use object oriented programming in like very much in our programming system. So you see, so now we will look at its syntax. So to make a class, we type in class and then give it a name. For now I am going with the employee, and by the way my instantiated, so this is employee, and here I'm just going to type in pass. So this pass will generally means do nothing. So here I'm just going to enter all the variables and the methods which can be written over here, but I will type in outside this class, so that for the sake of simplicity and to make you all understand. So now I shall enter some values inside this class. To do so, for employee I'm just an employee, so Amir is equal to employee. So this variable is now being added to our class. So we can also add more values. So like for example, Luffy is also is equal to employee, and make sure to add this brackets. So these are the two values which are added to our class. So now we can easily print both, and you see that neither of we have instantiated both of these variables inside our class, but now these both are different from each other. This is allocated in a different memory and this is in a different one. So basically these both are not same. So if I print to show you, so if I print Amir and also Luffy, then you will see that it is saying that this one is main.employee, one is Amir is also employee, which is allocated at this location, and the second one is also an main employee, which is allocated in this location. So basically you get the answer. So now we can just do instantiation of both of these variables separately. So now if I type in, like I am just adding attributes to the variable. To do so, I am just going to type in Amir dot, as they are employee, so what do they have? They have company. So Amir dot company is equal to, like say Google. Amir works at Google company. Amir dot salary. We can just specify them more elaborately by adding attributes to them. Now I can just type in salary, like 10k, not 10k, 50k, and now I can just add in more of them, and I can print Amir's qualifications separately. So if I type in amir.company, if I want to know that which company does Amir work, I shall just type in this, and I can definitely get an answer of Google is been printed. If I type in salary, so Amir's salary would be printed, like you see 50k. Now here, what if now I can change I can change the values from a different I can change the values to like this. Now if I like I can just retype it by just giving amir.company is equal to YouTube, then and company, then you will see that YouTube is being printed, not Google. So by this you can make or understand that you can change the values from anywhere in the code. So this is it for today, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.